Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this office chair, this mesh office chair that supports up to 300 pounds. And the assembly process took me, I think it was probably like 10 minutes or 15 minutes stop, no more than that. So let's talk about this chair. The thing that I think is the best on this chair is the lumbar support right here, because you can modify the height, and you can see it's a dedicated lumbar support that kinds of, I don't know, it's kind of like, it helps you to have like a really nice posture when sitting. I think it's super important if you're kind of like working from home or something like that, because it actually pushed you a little bit on the lumbar area. And then another thing that I think is cool is the headrest, that you can't tilt it. You can't tilt the header, but you can modify the height just like that. And it's also padded right here, as well as the armrest that you can actually put in storage position just like that, and save some space by putting it underneath your desk. The mesh right here is kind of like super elastic. That's another good feature that I like. And then right here, the cushion is extra mega firm. It's like super solid. It's kind of like padded and cushion right here on the edges, but like the centerpiece, it's really firm. So if you like firm chairs, this could be a really good option for you. Like every other chair, you can modify the height just like that. And then has another feature that you can lock and unlock, kind of like a really nice rocking. It's not actually a rocking, it's a recliner. You can see that I'm having like a really nice chilling position. It's not a rocker. I mean, it comes back for sure, but it doesn't offer like kind of like a resistance. It's kind of like a really nice recliner, as you can see. It's actually pretty comfortable, I have to say. But other than that, otherwise, this is a really nice mesh office chair that offers a 300 pounds support in a really nice lumbar support area right here. I like it. I do recommend it. I think it's a good one. So thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.